In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Facebook blocked list permanently without unblocking. If you've been managing your privacy settings on Facebook and have resorted to blocking certain individuals, you might find that your blocked list has gotten quite long over time. While blocking is an effective way to maintain your digital space, sometimes you might want to tidy up your list without the hassle of unblocking each person individually. This guide will provide you with clear steps to do just that. First, head over to your favorite web browser and navigate to Facebook's website. If you haven't logged into Facebook yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, look for the downward-facing arrow in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From the options available, select Settings Privacy and then choose Settings from the subsequent menu. This will direct you to your main settings page. Here, on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a variety of options. What you want to click on is Blocking. This will take you to a dedicated page that deals with all things related to blocking on Facebook. In this section, you'll find Block Users, which displays the list of people you've blocked. Normally, unblocking would involve removing individuals from this list one by one. However, since our aim is not to unblock but to delete the blocked list itself, you'll need to take a different approach. Unfortunately, Facebook does not provide a direct option to clear out your blocked list in one go without unblocking. However, a workaround is to reach out to Facebook support for assistance. Although not guaranteed to be available, support teams can sometimes help with requests like this on a case-by-case basis. To get in touch with Facebook support, you can search for Facebook Help Center using a search engine, or navigate from the website by clicking the question mark in the upper right corner and selecting Help Support. From there, follow the instructions related to contacting support. Make sure to clearly explain that you wish to delete your entire blocked list permanently. Bear in mind that changes like these might require verification of your identity or additional steps per Facebook's security protocols. Facebook support will guide you through any necessary process specific to your account. And there you have it. While it isn't possible to remove your blocked list without some form of assistance, knowing exactly how to seek the help you need can make a big difference. Keep in mind that managing your blocked list wisely can help maintain your desired online interactions. As always, keep your personal safety and privacy front of mind when making adjustments to your Facebook settings. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips.